Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate music for your editing on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my design on Canva and I'm going to generate a background music for this video, for example. And first of all, we can go to the apps menu right here and you can go to the AI generation and there will be some AIs or some apps that you can use to generate background music for you. And for me, I'm just going to choose this AI music generator. Then we can describe the music that we want to create here. And I have already created a prompt, so I'm just going to paste my prompt. Alright, and then you can select the music category. And I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose the pop music. Then you can customize the duration. I'm just going to make it 20 seconds. Then, oops, not 20 seconds. I'm just going to make it shorter to make the process faster. And then we can click on generate music. Okay, and before you use the AI music generator, guys, you need to log in to this app. So you can use this app to generate background music for your video or your design on Canva. Okay, and we just need to wait. Okay, the music has been generated and it has been automatically added to my project, my Canva project, and then let me play it, guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to generate music with AI on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!